goodbye, chat. I can't see you. Oh. Am I on a train? I'm gonna throw up. Oh, we're moving. Oh, this is kind of cool. What the fuck? Oh, you're back. Hi, chat.